There are some really useful date and time functions that should be shared with every Excel user. Let's start in the sheet called Dates, and let's click on the cell C4. What I'd like to show in C4 is today's date, and so there's a function called Today. If I go equals TO, there it is there. The Today function returns the current date, so I double click Today and I press Enter. Today it says the 1st of February. Tomorrow it'll automatically update according to the computer system clock and it'll say the 2nd of February. So every day it will change. If I don't want the date to change, then I probably copy it and paste values. That will get rid of the formula behind it, leaving me with just the date. And I'll go undo to get my function back. You can also do arithmetic with the today function. For example, if I always want to show yesterday's date, I'll put something like equals TO, double click today. In this case I have to close the bracket and I'll go -1. When I press enter, it will always show me yesterday's date. So when it's the 2nd of February, it'll always show me the 1st of February. Today being the 1st of February is showing me the 31st of January. If I always want to see 7 days from today instead of -1, I'll change that to +7. And that's 7 days from today. So you can do arithmetic with the today function. If though I wish to see the date and time, then that's a separate function in C8 called now equals NO. And when I click on now, this returns the date and time. So I'll double click now and press enter. And so that's the date and time. You can always format that cell to look any way that you want, but it will always show you the date and time. In E4, we sometimes have the need to extract a day from a date. For example, I'll go equals D and double click day and then click C4, and this will pull out the day from C4, which is a 1. Likewise in F4 I could go equals month, MO, double click month, click on C4, and it'll pull out the month from C4 when I press enter, which is 2. And also in G4 I can extract the year from C4 using the year function, 2017. And lastly in F1 I would like to show the name of the sheet, the name of the file and where it's stored in the cell F1. So that's the function cell. If I go equals C, I can then double click cell and I can then double click file name. When I press enter, the name of the sheet is dates, the name of the file is Excel2, and it's currently sitting on my desktop on my C drive. If I was to rename the sheet from dates to perhaps testing, you'll see the formula automatically updates. If I change it back to dates, it will change again. So that's a function called cell.